Hi, I'm Amrita. I'm a registrar from UK Versity Online. UK Versity is now accreditation by BAC. We can now sponsor students on a short study visa for 6 or 11 months to study any course for 6 months. For example, business, accounting, teaching, and healthcare. 11-month visa will be only for intensive English course. So in order to get applications, we have put up intake or admission courses calendar on our website. We will take admissions for below sessions. These are 5 sessions: October, January, March, May or June. I would advise you to only 5 to 6 weeks in admire of these start dates to give enough time to get visa. Next question is what courses we offer on short-term study visa. OTHM Level 3 Foundation Diploma in Higher Education Studies. NCFE Level 5 Diploma in Education and Training. NCFE Level 2 Functional Skills in English. Please visit UK Versity website for more details. Now I would like to talk to you about the application process. Step 1. Fill the book a course form on the website. Step 2. We will call or Skype you to discuss the information received. Step 3. Conduct an interview which will be recorded. Step 4. On passing the interview, we will issue you to conditional offer letter and accounts will issue invoice to deposit the fees. Step 5. Once the fees received, UK Versity admission team will issue you a visa letter and information related to how to apply the visa. Please refer to our terms and conditions on the website. I look forward to welcoming you to UK Versity for our studies. You can contact us on email at admin@ukversity.co.uk. Thank you.